Okay guys, I'm here today with Paul Schreiner. Huge honor for me. Guys, Paul is one of the best instructors I ever met. When I was training at Marcelo's, he was that type of scientist. He was always the one studying Jiu-Jitsu, figuring out everything to teach us. And today he's gonna show us here one of his favorite moves, that it's from the 201.
Yeah,
the
pistol grip 2-on-1.
Yeah, pistol grip 201, and it's the tripod sweep. So I'm super excited to learn from here again. And let's do it, Paul.
So, as we'll get into in the series, there's a lot of reasons why we prefer a 2-on-1 with a pistol grip, where we pass this arm over and then we have a grip behind the tricep. So this grip really prevents our opponent from anchoring any kind of meaningful grip on us. So he can kind of only grab now on the side of our body that helps us move towards his back or helps us move towards his legs. But oftentimes our opponent gets ahead of us in the grip fight and he makes a grip on our lapel and he steps in. So when we realize that we can't stay up, we want to get to the mat faster than them, and we can use that gap to get a foot on the hip. With a foot on the hip, now I can go break that grip. I can break that grip and pass the hand under and find my 2-on-1. And you can see I'm basically already in a tripod sweep position. So if we feel the tripod sweeps there, we're gonna go find the ankle. I'm gonna bring my hip in, tensioning the position and making sure he can't kick his leg up the side of my body, which is the primary threat here for him to disengage, or that he can't shift the weight and step out of my second hook, right? Which is the secondary threat. Okay? And with the gi, we have to worry about our opponent grabbing the same side lapel, because if our opponent anchors himself on this lapel, now I can't take the weight out of this leg, right? So the benefit of this 2-on-1 here, okay, is when we switch to the tripod position and we have the pistol grip, there's no way that he can come back and grip this lapel. Okay? If he wants to break this grip, a pistol grip isn't the hardest grip in the world to break if it's not reinforced. So he could definitely rip this back. If he does, he's just going to give us the sweep. So again, when we find this position, we're going to scoot in. When we're ready to sweep, we push pull. That releases all the weight from this leg. At the same time, we're going to drag the other leg out. We take our foot to the inside and we're going to come up.
So one more time, Paul.
Yeah. So if we started in a seated position and I'm trying to stay seated, you got ahead of me with the grip, you're going to drive me down. I need to get there first so my foot can find the hip. Immediately we're breaking and we can go right to our 2-on-1 here, or in this instance, I can go right to the tripod sweep position.
Good.
Now, if I am having trouble, right, like you're a big guy, I'm having trouble like taking this leg out, ideally I need to get you hopping. So I could time my foot kind of sweeping your ankle out in this direction. And it's not gonna always be possible for me to get you to hop.
Yep.
Okay, so in this instance, I'm gonna push and pull so I can get the weight out of this leg, and then I'm gonna tuck my knee underneath and now hang your,
that's awesome.
Yeah, put some tension here to hang your leg over. Now I use my hook to drag your hips on top of mine. You can see I could force you to hop.
Yep.
So when I'm ready, I can take that leg out.
That's amazing.
And come back on top.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, Jose, I love how you always have like the whole sequence set up, like one after the other, after the other, after the other. So in this case, for example, you're prepared for everything, right? So if I make the grip here and push you, your foot comes first, right? So yes. I'm uncomfortable over here, right?
Yeah, so you can't smash me.
Yeah. And also because I have this foot here, it's much easier for you to break that grip, right?
Of course, yeah, that's what allows me. I have to always do a push-pull when I break a grip. In this case, where can my shoulders go? My shoulders can't go back, so I can't add that weight and put the tension on the grip. I have to push you back as I push, so I need a double push now anytime I'm flat for that grip break.
Good.
Okay, now we try to pass that underneath. So now if you try to regrip,
there's no way.
There's nothing there.
Got it. No, that's awesome. And then, so basically our options here is one, if I break the grip, you just go straight to the tripod. Right?
Yes, yeah.
2, you can go to the tripod even if I don't try to break it.
Absolutely.
And 3, if you're not being able to sweep, you do that thing you did last time, you lift. Man, that's awesome. That's awesome.
So this is almost like somewhere between the tripod sweep and the X guard.
Yeah,
right?
man, I feel like sitting on a chair here.
Yeah.
And then when no, that's amazing. No, that's amazing. No, that's really good. Yeah. So, Paul, and the entire instruction is all about the 201 with the pistol grip.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mostly from bottom positions, so it's going to be closed guard, seated guard against opponents both kneeling and standing. Even using this as a method of guard retention and more I guess pass prevention than guard retention. Even a side control escape from utilizing the pistol 2-on-1.
Got it. No, that's awesome. Yeah, so guys, Paul is one of the best instructors I ever met in my life. When I was at Marcelo's, he was the one who was always the most requested for classes, for everything. So I think everybody's gonna benefit a lot learning from him. So this instruction that he did now, it's all about the 201 with the pistol grip, which is a great position and very effective. So make sure to check it out at bjjfanatics.com. It's going to be there soon, and maybe by the time you're watching, it's already there. So check it out. Thank you, Paul. Please help me out to grow my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe. And to watch more videos, just click under see more videos. I hope you enjoyed.
BJJFanatics.com. Use the promo code YouTubeFaria to get 10% off any instructional video. Improve your jiu-jitsu faster.